how to delete Facebook account on Android 2022. Firstly, when you get into a fiction like this one, and you're gonna go on your right point, go on the three dots on the right upper side, then simply scroll down, go for settings and privacy, go for settings on the first selection, and right after you get into that fiction, as you can see, you have all these selections, all these stuff sections which are on the right point for you. And when you get right down, you can find out all these selections, and as you go, for example, on access and control, or simply as you go on profile informations for personal setup, go for access and control, then go deactivation and deletion. And when you get into that point from here, if you go delete account and go continue to account deletion on that blue line section, you're gonna delete your Facebook account on your side.